In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Xbox Remote Play on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any model of iPad, you can easily set up Remote Play. In order to do this, you will need the latest version of the Xbox app, and remote features must be enabled on your Xbox console. So to start, go over to the settings of your console, go into the Devices and Connections category, and now select Remote Features. Inside of Remote Features, enable them from here alongside Play to Streaming. Once you have both of these settings enabled, you can head over into the Xbox app on your iPad. I'm showing examples of this being done on an iPhone, but of course it is going to work flawlessly on your iPad. You will press this button here, so after you sign into your account on the Xbox app, tap on this icon at the top right, and you can connect your console. If you have never connected a console to the app, it will prompt you to do so now, or you can choose the Add Console button and follow the instructions. Once the console has been connected, you will give it a name, and finally it will appear here. Now choose the console and select Remote Play on this device. This should begin streaming immediately to your iPad, so the console must be powered on in close proximity, and once you have it here ready to go, you will see all of the touch controls appear. You are now remotely controlling your iPad, or rather your Xbox from your iPad. And if you prefer, you can of course connect a controller. Usually this will be done through Bluetooth, so you go into the Bluetooth settings of your iPad, you press the sync button on the Xbox controller itself, and it will pair up with your iPad wirelessly, and then you can use it instead of the touch controls. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.